Such a gorgeous day to get out and drive this Mustang. Just kidding, you guys. I know exactly where it is. It's actually out currently getting a ceramic coating. Yes, my 2018 Mustang will finally be ceramic coated. I'm excited because it's something I've wanted to get done practically since I got the car. At the time, I was going to get it done. It was going to be $2,000, and the guy at the ceramic coating shop basically told me I don't need it at the time because I left the car outside. It would have been a waste of money. Now, of course, I keep the car inside. It's a lot more, applicable now. And then on top of that, I found a guy that was actually going to do it way cheaper. Not no $2,000. Basically, that guy, as I've been told, does great work, but he wants to retire off of, one car. So, hopefully the Mustang will be back tonight. By the time this video goes up and you all see it, it should be back in the garage. So, I'm excited for that because I want it back so bad. I can't believe I missed the car after only 2 days. I don't even drive it every day, but I still miss it. But, with that being said, I saw a little update on Facebook about the 2018 Mustangs. And actually, it's going to pertain to every Coyote motor, the 11 and up. And that is about this alleged tick. So, according to this little update, it looks like in the form of some form of TSB. Some people that work for Ford have put this out. It's basically stating, there is no problem. The tick is completely 100% normal. Now, of course, a lot of people don't agree. A lot of people are arguing about it. It's turning into this big debate of whether is Ford just simply trying to avoid fixing a problem or is it normal. The way they describe the tick is like a typewriter or barbecue sound coming from the inner wheel well. Yeah, my car has it too. Pretty much every 18 Mustangs got it. And they even state after the first oil change, which conveniently is when I noticed it. So, the good news there is I've said multiple times I'm not worried about the tick. And a lot of people have said, no, be worried. It's going to become piston slap. So part of me, it feels good because that's me saying, hey, I wasn't worried about this. And a lot of people said, no, be worried. But then I've had other people say, don't worry, Coyotes have been doing this since 2011. So hopefully, there is nothing to worry about. So I will probably be starting the mods on this car soon, just because I know it's nothing to worry about. Hopefully, this is an issue that is related to that tick, and not the fact that the dealer tried to short me oil. Some people might remember that. People thought I was clickbaiting when I did it. No, I really am serious. The dealer tried to short me oil. They tried to give me 8 quarts, when the owner's manual clearly calls for 10. So, hopefully, that's not related to that. This time around, I am not going to be taking it back to that dealership because of that. I'm going to be doing it. I don't know if I'm going to be doing it myself or not. My neighbor is a mechanic. I might be buying the oil from Ford separately. There are different kits online that actually come with the proper 10 quarts of oil and a Ford oil filter. I might be taking it to his shop and having him do it. He's honestly giving me a deal, he'll do it for free, the actual labor part, so I'd be paying just for oil, since I don't want to use any off-brand at the moment. Car, I don't think it's going to matter. The car is under warranty, so I definitely want to change the oil within the intervals, but it doesn't make a huge difference on brand of oil. I'm not one of these people that's going to ask what brand of oil to use. I still probably am going to go ahead and do the Ceratec treatment as well. Just that peace of mind. A lot of people have said it makes the motor run quieter regardless. So, I still predict that becoming a thing later. Maybe Ford might want to add something similar to that in. I'm still on the fence, though, whether I'm going to stick with the 5W20 or I'm going to go ahead and go with 5W30, because this car calls for 5W30 for racing applications. Not that I'm planning to really race it all the time, but we do live in a hot climate here in Florida. It's February, and I'm wearing shorts and a t-shirt right now. And this is, supposed winter time, so in the summer it gets hot. So it might make sense for me just to go ahead and do it. I'm probably going to talk it over with some more, expert mechanics before I do that. But that's definitely something I'm looking at. I just want to put this little piece of news out. I don't know if anyone else has seen this. It's a little short update video. Once again, I want to apologize for not doing content for a while. And mostly that's just due to the fact that there's not really a purpose when I don't have the car. There's not much content I can do. Of course, last weekend I decided to take the weekend off from doing like cars and coffee and such, just because I had a long week. I decided I don't want to force myself to do content. It might be fun, but it still works some days. Life is so hard as a YouTuber. But this weekend we'll be resuming normal cars and coffee content. My girlfriend will actually be coming with me in 2 weeks. She's actually going back to working every other weekend rather than every Saturday, so actually that's a good thing. She'll be able to come with me to more of these events. She might be a little more of a regular on the channel, not like now where she's on like once a year. But anyway, let me know in the comment section below what you think about that. How many people think this is Ford just simply trying to have a cover-up, that they don't want to admit that they have a problem? But how many people actually are agreeing with me, because I told you all it's nothing to worry about. I feel relieved, like, yes, I don't want to say this because it's kind of cringy to say this. I was right. There is nothing to worry about with this car. So there might be 1 or 2 cases of piston slap, but definitely overall it's not worth worrying about as a problem. But anyway, if you like this video, go ahead and leave a thumbs up. If you are stopping in for the first time, I can't wait for you all to see this car ceramic coated. I just hope it comes through on camera when it's done. I'm very excited to get this car back. Anyway, take care. Have a good day.